If you're new to Git and want the easiest and best way to install it on Windows 10 or 11, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have Git fully installed and ready to use. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. Click on search bar, then click on Git. Now click on the official website. When you are on the home page, you'll see the latest version of Git available for download. Click Download for Windows. A new page will open. Click here and the download will start automatically. Now wait while the setup is downloading. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. Now open Git Setup file. You'll now see the Git Setup window. Click Next on the license screen. Next, choose the installation location. The default path is fine, so just click Next. On the Select Components page, leave everything as it is. You can check additional icons if you want a desktop shortcut, then click Next. Now it will ask for a Start Menu folder name, leave it as it is and click Next. Next, you'll be asked to choose the default editor for Git. I recommend selecting Visual Studio Code, but you can pick any editor you prefer. Since I don't have Visual Studio installed, I'll choose Notepad instead. Next, you'll see an option for the initial branch name. Select Override the default branch name for new repositories, then click Next. Now you need to adjust your path environment. Choose the recommended option Git from the command line and click Next. For the SSH executable, keep the default option, use bundled OpenSSH, then click Next. For HTTPS transport, use the OpenSSL library and click Next. In the line ending configuration step, check out Windows style and click Next. When asked about the terminal emulator, keep the default option, use first one and click Next. For Git pull behavior, leave it as fast forward or merge, then click Next. Keep the default Git credential manager option and click Next. Finally, make sure Enable File System Caching is checked and click Install. Here, wait for the installation to finish. When it's done, click Finish. You'll also notice a Git Bash shortcut on your desktop. That means Git was successfully installed on your Windows 11 PC. So this is our tutorial on installing Git on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.